possibly I'd be the same shape as you. Spilled coffee in the mornings, you still adore me. And that's what I love about the cold nights, 'cause your jacket fitting just my size. A two, a three, shoo-be-doo. I love you four, that's more than I can afford. And I can tell someday that I'm gonna say the truth. I love you five.